as Visentini joins.
And you can see he just goes by Wilson at twice the speed, and Wilson doesn't even attempt, to really give him a hand or anything. I think that he feels lucky that he can just sit in.
There the two leaders are outnumbered by the support vehicles, the television camera, bikes, and so on. It's always a source of amusement to me, as I've stated many times, that very often in these races the riders are outnumbered and almost dwarfed by the entourage that goes along with the race. All very necessary part of not only bringing the race to the public, but keeping the riders in the race with mechanics, vehicles, team support cars, and so on.
And there you see Visentini riding away from Wilson.
Very smooth style. Visentini obviously much in control of his abilities at this point. Springtime in southern Italy.
Now he just went over the Mountain Prime banner, and now it was the descent starting. But this, by the way, as I mentioned earlier, characterized the aggressiveness and the decisiveness which Visentini rode this Giro. In the past, he's always been a real class rider, but he's always had that bad day in stage races, almost like Kelly. Kelly in every Tour de France that he's raced, or any of the other major stage races that he's done, like the Tour of Spain, he really has one bad day or two bad days, and that just kill him. And Visentini was very much in the same boat up until this Giro. He always had that bad day. The year before, he held the pink jersey for over a week, only to just totally go under one day, and to the point that he even stopped and had to be coerced into continuing the race. This year, however, he proved to be a real class rider. He held the pink jersey for a long period of time at the end, and rode with confidence and with an ability that one of those things that everybody knew that he had the potential to do, but he had never really shown it in the physical universe.
Visentini has been caught by the field as they approach the final kilometer of racing, and we have a long solo sprint coming out of the bunch.
That's Greg LeMond.
So Visentini's effort is not unchallenged by the American LeMond, but as you said, Jose, just didn't have a team strong enough behind him to make his victory chances solid.
Yeah, with 1 kilometer to go, and everybody.
Ancora vantaggio per LeMond, si volta, vince la tappa Greg LeMond. Ora vediamo lo sprint: Saronni, poi Chioccioli, Bauer, Golagé, quindi Milani, poi Baronchelli in